boy Noodles, man. I'm back with another one, man. Sending peace, love, joy, and happiness all y'all way. I hope you've been taking care of yourself, putting yourself first. You deserve it. I'm back with another banger, man. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to burn out, man. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a burnout, man. Nice, quick, simple, easy shit for beginners who might not know, you know. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we're in the Scat, man. I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to do a burnout for my beginners that don't know how. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is you want to click on this button. You're gonna see it say drive modes. Okay, so you got auto, sport, and track. Auto don't really got no power, so you can burn out in either track or sport. It's up to you. I see people doing it in sport. I see people doing it in track. I'm gonna do it in sport this time for y'all. And then so when you hit sport, it says boom, traction off. Oh, it's up here. It say traction off. So it's two ways you could do this. You can leave your traction off like this, or you can turn it all the way off. If you're not comfortable with turning your car all the traction all the way off, I wouldn't do it, because the back of your car just get the fishtail in, and it has no traction if you turn the traction all the way off. Or you could keep it like this just in sport. It's up to you guys, man. How do I want to show y'all today? Should I turn it all the way off for y'all? I think I'm gonna turn it all the way off for y'all just to show y'all how it is. Real quick and easy, man. It ain't nothing too much. So like I said, you can burn out in track or sport. I'm gonna do it in here. Okay, to turn the traction all the way off, you're gonna see this little squiggly line right here with the car. You just hold that for probably 10 seconds. Hold this for 10 seconds until it pop up here, and you'll see it pop up. Boom. You heard that ding? Everything, your traction is completely off right now. Completely off, bro. So what you do next is on you. The car is going off what you are doing to it. It has no traction now, literally none. Once you turn that off like that, it literally has no traction. So what you do is what you do, bro. That's on you, bro. Just remember, the car has no control right now. It's what you do to it. So after you do that, you put it in sport, you turn the traction all the way off. What you want to do next is find you a little spot. I got a spot right here. People be doing burnouts out here all the time. As you can see, like, it got tire marks everywhere, everything. So what you want to do is find you a little spot wherever you want to do it at, and it's real simple, bro. To do a burnout, what you want to do is, I don't know if you can see, you want to put your foot on the brake and on the gas at the same time. I repeat, you want to put your foot on the brake and mash the gas at the same time. So it's like it's that simple, bro. You just want to put your foot on the brake and on the gas at the same time, and your car will literally sit still and burn smoke. Literally, it's that simple. So what I'm gonna do for y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this burnout real quick. Anyway, I'll be right back.